Stop. I get you're really anxious to start improving your operations, but I want to give you a few points to consider first. Where are you at right now? That means everything from speeds, feeds, cycle time, tool change time, part changeover time. Now, I mean the changeover between parts as well as your setup time. Gather all of that, record that, because if you don't know where you're starting, you can't actually prove any improvements. You just got your emotional gut feels, and as great as those are, they don't really help you justify future investments into improvement. So stop, record all of those points, and then you're ready to go. You can reach out to a partner in your supply chain and get working, keep your spindles turning and earning.